Welcome to the AMS training series for StreetSaver Online, Table Maintenance, Treatment Description. In this tutorial, we show you the overview of treatment description. This table is an inventory of all the types of treatment that you perform in your jurisdiction. Every user has been given a list of common treatments to be used. However, you are able to modify or add new treatments to your inventory. To add a new treatment, click on the plus icon. Enter the treatment you wish to add. For example, let's add Type 2 slurry seal. Next, assign the correct overlay code. For slurry seal or any other treatment that is maintenance, the overlay code will be S for surface seal. Next, you can assign a GIS color. The GIS color will show on any GIS reports that display this treatment. Next, click on the Save disk located at the top right corner. You have successfully added a new treatment. Let's add another treatment. This time, we will add 2-inch mill and fill. Click on the plus icon to add a new treatment. Now type in 2-inch mill and fill. Next, set the overlay code to OA for overlay with AC. You can select a GIS color if you desire. In this case, we will not assign a color. Last, click on the Save icon to save your new treatment. Please note, you can make edits to treatments by double-clicking the treatment. Let's edit microsurface and make it all caps. To edit, double-click the treatment, make your change, and click on the Save button. You will not be able to make any changes to treatments that are set to read-only. This concludes treatment descriptions. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to amsconsulting.net.